Hey everyone, today we're making these delicious, spicy, tasty, and fun rhubarb popsicles. Before I get into it, I want to share one thing about rhubarb. So, as you know, I often promote eating root to leaf, right? We waste so much food in this country. Like 40% of the food that we grow and produce, we toss out. Like that's literally 1 in 4 bags of groceries just goes straight to the landfill. Sucks. So like, you know, I hate food waste, but something I want to tell you is that if you're buying rhubarb, it's usually not a problem at the grocery store, but sometimes at farmers markets, they can still have the greens on. They're toxic. Don't eat the greens from rhubarb. So I just want to share that right now. Like usually at the grocery store, there's just a little bit. I've seen at farmers markets where there's a bit. So like, just don't eat those. I just want to share that with you first. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our rhubarb, put it in a saucepan and cover it with water. We're gonna bring that water to a boil and we're gonna cook it for about 15 minutes to extract all that flavor and that lovely pink color from the rhubarb. While that's cooking, we can actually make our simple syrup. So you wanna add your sugar to a smaller saucepan, add in the water, and then we're gonna add in our chilies, our cinnamon sticks, and our cloves. And we're gonna bring that to a little bit of a boil. And then once it boils, we're gonna cover it and just turn off the heat and let those flavors steep. And so we're gonna infuse this just really wonderful, simple syrup with like cinnamon and clove and just, it's spicy and it's everything. I highly recommend it. So after it's been 15 minutes, we're gonna take that rhubarb and we're just gonna strain out the actual pulp from the vegetable. Yes, rhubarb is a vegetable. It's actually kind of related to celery, by the way. So strain out the pulp and reserve that pink juice. We're gonna take that pink juice and we're gonna mix it with the simple syrup that we're creating. So you also wanna strain out the chilies and the cinnamon and the clove. Mix that all together. Make sure it's cooled down before you add it to your popsicle mold. This is really important. You don't want to melt the popsicle mold. So just let it cool down and then pour it slowly into the mold. Go ahead and put the lid on there and start adding in those popsicle sticks. Now, as you can see, they kind of wiggle back and forth. There's a few things that you can do to keep those popsicle sticks in place. I've seen people put plastic over the top and then use binder clips to keep them steady. What I typically do is I'll put them in, put it in the freezer. Once it kind of is in there for a little bit and the popsicle flavor starts to firm up, I'll just kind of move the sticks in place afterwards. But put those sticks in, put it in the freezer, and you want to keep it in the freezer for at least 10 hours. After it's completely frozen, the easiest way to remove the popsicles from that mold is just to use regular cold water, because cold water is warmer than ice. So just take the mold, dip it in a water bath. Don't let it go over the top where it actually touches the top of the popsicles, but just the bottom part. Dip it for about 10 to 15 seconds, take it out, wiggle them, see if you can pull it out. If you can't, just do that again. It'll probably take you 2 or 3 times and then just remove those popsicles. Enjoy them then, put them in a plastic bag or put them back in the freezer. But either way, you're gonna have these delicious, bright pink, spicy rhubarb popsicles, and I think you're gonna like them. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. If there's something that you wanna see, drop a comment down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.